First, ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection, as this is crucial for initial activation. Restart your device. This often resolves temporary glitches. Open the H2O Wireless app and rescan the QR code provided. Make sure to scan in a well-lit environment and that the entire code is captured. If the QR code doesn't load or scan correctly, request a new one through your H2O account dashboard. Finally, confirm that your device is compatible. Most iOS 16 Plus and Android 13 Plus devices work, but older models might need updates. If problems persist after these steps, contact H2O support via chat or phone for further assistance. QR code errors often stem from outdated app versions or device camera issues. Ensure you're using the latest version of the H2O Wireless app, version 4.2 or newer. Use your device's native camera app or the H2O scanner within the app to scan the QR code. Avoid third-party QR readers. For device compatibility, not all devices support eSIM. You can check your phone's IMEI by dialing 06 or through your device settings to verify compatibility. Also, make sure your device is carrier unlocked. If you see an eSIM not supported error, it means your device lacks the necessary eSIM chip. If issues continue, reset your network settings, toggle airplane mode on and off, or try reinstalling the H2O app. As a last resort, consider a factory reset or contacting H2O support for manual activation.